Bharat is rejoicing in festivities. Pongal, Bihu, and Makar Sankranti are being celebrated with immense joy across different parts of the country. While the forms of celebration may vary, the spirit remains the same. In the southern part of the country, the 4-day Pongal celebrations are underway. This festival honors the sun, Mother Nature, and the farm animals that contribute to a bountiful harvest. These celebrations have also reached the nation's capital, where people in traditional attire are marking this auspicious occasion with great fervour. Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in the Pongal celebrations at Minister of State, Information and Broadcasting L. Murugan's residence in Delhi. While addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister said that Pongal has today become a global festival. He added that people connected with the Tamil community and Tamil culture celebrate this festival with great enthusiasm and said he is one among them.
तमिल संस्कृति दुनिया की सबसे प्राचीन जीवित सभ्यताओं में से एक है। तमिल संस्कृति सदियों को जोड़ती है। वो इतिहास से सीखकर वर्तमान को आगे का रास्ता दिखाती है। इसी प्रेरणा से आज का भारत अपनी जड़ों से शक्ति लेकर नई संभावनाओं की ओर आगे बढ़ रहा है।
PM Modi also highlighted the central government's continuous efforts to empower farmers and praised initiatives like Mission Life and Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam.
मैं एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत की जिस भावना की बात करता हूं, उसे पोंगल जैसे पर्व और सशक्त बनाते हैं। पोंगल का त्योहार हमें प्रेरित करता है कि प्रकृति के प्रति आभार केवल शब्दों तक सीमित न रहे, उसे हम जीवन शैली का हिस्सा बनाएं। जब ये धरती हमें इतना कुछ देती है, उसे संजोने का दायित्व भी हमारा है। अगली पीढ़ी के लिए मिट्टी को स्वस्थ रखना, पानी को बचाना और संसाधनों का संतुलित उपयोग करना सबसे जरूरी है। मिशन लाइफ, एक पेड़ मां के नाम, अमृत सरोवर जैसे हमारा अभियान इसी भावना को आगे बढ़ाते हैं।
The Prime Minister witnessed cultural performances reflecting the rich legacy of Tamil culture. Several eminent personalities also attended the event, commending PM Modi's visionary leadership.
We are extremely delighted Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has chosen to celebrate Pongal in Delhi for the last many years.
Happy Pongal to everyone. Pongal is a festival which we always look forward to, because for us it's a beginning of a new year. That's what we look at. All good things starts from the first festival of Tamil.
So happy to be here and to celebrate Pongal along with the Honorable Prime Minister ji, because every year he makes it a point to attend Pongal, because Pongal is a very big festival not only in the south, it's a harvest festival. It's for the farmers.
Pongal, Bihu, Makar Sankranti. Different names, but yet the same boundless enthusiasm. From east to west, north to south, India comes alive with celebrations, radiating joy and fervour. These celebrations, these festivals, not only reflect India's rich cultural legacy, but also beautifully embody the spirit of unity in diversity. With camera person Uttam Singh, this is Siddharth Bharadwaj reporting for DD India in New Delhi.